Welcome back aspirants on MacTech 40, and today we will see the important color questions in India, and the question based on this has been asked in various SSC exams as well as railways, and few years back UPSC also has asked this exam, and state exams. This kind of questions are very familiar to this. So there are many color revolution. So we will see what this all the color revolutions related to which product in India, and who is the father. So what is the father? Father means the person who is the most significant. That means it has a maximum contribution for in the revolutions. Okay. So let's see. So first is green revolution. As we all know, green revolution came in our agricultural field, and our the crop yield is maximized. Okay. And the father is MS Swaminathan. Okay. The father means he has the maximum impact. Okay. He has the maximum effort while implementation of this revolution. Okay. So that's why he is known as father of green revolution. Okay. So green revolution, agriculture. Okay. Next is white revolution. It is also called Operation Flood. Okay. And it is related to milk and dairy products, as you can see here in the image. Okay. The Amul is a group of us, you can say that cooperative dairies. Okay. So from there started, and now it is a state PSU. Okay. It has the same level of state PSU. And the Dr. Varghese Kurian is, it has a tremendous contribution in this revolution. Okay. So he is known as father of white revolution. Next is blue revolution. Blue revolution is related to fishes. Okay. And the father is Dr. Arun Krishnan and Dr. Harilal Chaudhary, and this has been came in the 2000s, early 2000s, because the income of farmer is very less. So to increase the income of the farmer, a secondary product, as a secondary product for those farmer who are living on the coastal side. Okay. So this is known as blue revolution, and it is come under fish. Okay. Next is golden revolution. Golden revolution is related to fruits and honey. Okay. As you know, the honey production, okay, the apiculture techniques are uh, found, and the new techniques and new methods for honey cultivation as well as bee cultivation are found. So it is also help in farmers income. Okay. And fruits, as you know, as the green revolution came, so this is also part of green revolution. Okay. So the golden revolution is related to fruits and honey. And Nirpak Tutaj. Nirpak Tutaj is the father of golden revolution. Okay. Now one more thing. Here it is a white revolution. In the next, in the after few minutes, the another one related to white fiber. Okay. So these are the two different revolution we will see. Next is silver revolution. Silver revolution is related to eggs. Okay. And the father is Indira Gandhi. The Indira Gandhi's maximum effort in this revolution to maximize the production and the final destination, that means customer, how to reach the customer eggs before its due date. Okay. So this revolution is known as silver revolution, related to eggs. Next is yellow revolution. Yellow revolution, it is related to oil seeds. Oil seed are also known as cash crops. Okay. And the father is Sam Pitroda. The cash crops will help as a secondary income of the farmer, because as you can see in the today's the villages, the they have some some farmers have this as a major crop. Okay. They are taking the seeds out and they are selling the seed directly, or if they have more capital, then they are investing in the oil extractor. Okay. And they are selling the oils. Okay. So this has a very good thing. Okay. So this is known as yellow revolution and related to oil seeds. Next is pink revolution. Pink revolution is related to prawns and onions, and the father is Durgesh Patel. Okay. So the as these are the part of green revolution. Okay. And the prawns are in many places, it is used as a food. Okay. So this is pink revolution. Next is brown revolution. Brown revolution, it is related to cocoa and leather. and the father is Hiralal Chaudhary. The cocoa production increment goes to the credit on Hiralal Chaudhary. Next is Red Revolution. Red Revolution related to meat and tomato. Meat is the meat of the land animal, as well as seafood animals meat is also related to this revolution, and tomato. And as you know, tomato is under the category of the fruit. Okay, it is not a what you say, it is a fruit. Okay, not a flower, it is a fruit, or not a root, it is a fruit. And the father is Vishal Tiwari. Okay, next is golden fiber revolution. We have earlier seen golden revolution. Okay, so that is golden revolution, that is related to fruits and honey, but golden fiber revolution is related to jute. Jute means, as you can see in the image here, this is the baggage, and the ropes are made from this. Okay, and these have very wide application. And in India, in the Sundarbans deltaic plain, his production is maximum because there are lots of this require lots of water. Okay, the production of this jute is required lots of water, and this deltaic plain, the natural climatic condition as well as water availability is there, so maximum production is there. Okay, and Sundarban delta is really is majorly spread in West Bengal and Bangladesh, but the majority 70% is in Bangladesh. Okay, this deltaic plain of Sundarbans. So this revolution is known as jute. Okay, golden fiber revolution related to jute. Next is black revolution, and it is related to petroleum. As you can know, as the petroleum crude oil found out, all the scenario of economic and world geopolitics is changed. So this is known as black revolution. Next is silver fiber revolution. Remember, I have told you while the eggs time, that is the one silver revolution, it is related to eggs. And I have also told you that the, the next slide, the silver fiber revolution will come, and it is related to cotton. Okay, so which state is maximum production of is highest production of cotton? That is Gujarat. Okay, so this also you have to remember. Okay, so this is silver fiber revolution related to cotton. Next is round revolution, and it is related to potato. Based on this shape, the potato is more or less round shape, so it is known as round revolution. Last but not least, gray revolution. Gray revolution related to fertilizers. Okay, because before, as you see, there were natural techniques we were using, and due to this, the crop yield is very less. But when the Britishers came and the some other foreign companies came, so they advertise us that use the chemical fertilizers. Okay, to increase the crop yield, we have implemented that, and we get the results. So as the crop yield increase, so the demand of fertilizer also increases. So to meet up that, we require the number of enormous factories, and there are many government PSUs are there in fertilizer making, and one of the major India's PSU is RCFL, Rashtriya Chemical Fertilizers Limited. India's major fertilizer making PSU. Okay, so this is grey revolution related to fertilizers. So this is the end of today's lecture. Hope you like this. So please like, share, and comment if you have any doubt, and subscribe this channel to get daily this educational informative videos. Okay, thank you. And tomorrow we will meet with some new questions, whether it may be technical or non-technical. But be ready, and till then, keep studying, stay focused.